Teaching English online for the first time. 5 tips. Number 5, that first lesson. Ever have that anxiety of calling a new person that you've never met? Well, welcome to your job. It's every first lesson now. The new person part, not the anxiety. Don't stress, and remember, the student is also meeting you for the first time, and it is you that's taking the lead. The first goal is putting your students at ease and getting a feel for their language level. Simple questions for getting to know them help, such as asking what their interests are, will achieve this quickly. Who said small talk is a bad thing? Number 4, energy. A successful class is based on the teacher's energy, so own it and keep it in a positive direction. Remember, you may be the student's first foreign teacher, and it's also more difficult to engage with young students in an online class rather than in a traditional classroom setting, so extra effort here is needed. You want to be welcoming while talking to them in a clear voice and with animated facial expressions. It's important for students to hear and see your instructions very clearly. Now, you don't have to put on a performance show, but also don't have the energy of your 10th grade history teacher / gym coach who is 6 months away from retirement. Just find a good middle ground. Number 3, online preparation. Make sure your internet connection is stable and situate your mic placement for quality audio. Since you'll be using your webcam, try your best to look professional, even if you're working from home. And keep in mind, your students will not only see you, but everything behind you. Find a quiet and neutral place to hold your class. You need to show that you are a pro, which means little Billy does not need to see your Slasher Movie Fest 2020 poster. Number 2, class preparation. The lesson prep is the obvious one here. Just because you are not teaching in a classroom does not mean you start your class by waking up, booting up your computer, and just start speaking English to some kid. You need to know what materials you will be using to teach, such as the big ones like possible textbooks and the curriculum, which would be provided by your employer. They might also include games, photos, flashcards, PowerPoint presentations, and video to add some flair to your class. Your employer may allow you the creative freedom to add or choose these materials yourself. Materials like these will help in keeping your students engaged. Number 1, give students equal time. Some students are just faster than others. Remember growing up, whenever the teacher would ask a question, there would be that one snotty kid who would shoot their hand up first before you had a chance to answer? Well, since you are the teacher now, make sure to shut them down. Just kidding. When having a group discussion or conversational class, don't forget to include all the students equally and provide each one with their own chance to shine, test out their skills, and give their input. They all need engagement during their learning process. Do you have any tips or questions about teaching online? Let us know in the comments and be sure to subscribe. Now dust off that webcam and get on out there. I guess you'd still be working inside. Yeah,